Yeah, so let's play this game, right? The capable, yeah, malleable, yeah, more. Yes, lovable, disable. Oh, yeah, I can see a lots and lots of words coming, including adaptable, sustainable, learnable, doable, knowledgeable, reliable. Fashionable, measurable, enable, yeah, responsible. Yep. So, okay. Yeah, lots and lots of words coming. And I played this game, and some of the words which we just played with it is that anything we thought we just added able to it, and then everything became open for us. So I've just put some of the words for you. So uh, would you like to make more words, play with it, even if like somebody has written responsible, so maybe we can play with it, response able. Okay. Let's have a little more play with and let's have able at the end. Let's change the spellings, let's play with those spellings. Curable, tolerable. Yeah, Munali, we are just playing the game. Uh, we are trying to understand, not understand. We're just trying to share the words which comes in our mind, which ending with able, and now we are just making any word ending with able. Anything which comes in our mind. Yeah, good. Yeah, quite a lot of word, and I think we can go on. Maybe we can play the game when you go back after the session. So so let's start with an assumption that, not assumption, let's start with the belief that each child is capable. Okay. Sometime when we say this, while we say this that each child is capable, but back of our mind um, also comes in our mind that what is not my child is capable. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to think, and if possible you write also in the chat window that one thing which you think your child is capable and one thing which you think your child is not capable. Yeah. So I repeat that when you think about your child, some of you have two children, which is you can choose any one of them, and just share in chat window what you think is one thing which your child is capable and one your child is not capable. Yeah. So Deepti saying playing with digger but can't identify colors. Somebody saying capable of picking up sports and play well. While you're writing, also share what is that you're thinking that your child is not capable. Not capable of regulating emotions, but capable of loving, capable of making stories, but can't focus, learn, but can't sit longer, not capable of doing maths, explore new things, able to mingle, incapable dealing with subtle change of routine. Yep. Okay. Capable of learning music, but not able to pay attention in the class. Capable of memorizing, capable of observing, but not being patient with sister. Yeah. Capable of dance, but can't sing. Capable of sports, but not able to focus and not capable of being consistent. Yeah, someone saying not think that not able to focus on physically straining activity. Somebody saying 3.4-year-old child is capable of yet to capable of. Yeah, I like this. Maybe the concept that yet to be capable. So let's begin from there. Yeah, uh, we have often as parents, even as teachers, when we work with group of children, that we have a list of capable things which our children are capable, which we think, but then also we have parallelly the list of incapable things. So I want to invite you um, to rethink, as I think Jay Lakshmi has put it up, that yet to be capable. Isn't that a beautiful thought? That yet to be capable. Maybe the child hasn't given thought about it. Maybe the child has not felt the need about it. Maybe the child has not decided that I want to work or work on that incapability with somebody else, like parents and the teachers are looking at it. Uh, I want you to invite again and bring back you to this thought that each child is capable. Each child is capable of doing anything they want to do. Each child is capable to dream, to think, to decide, to do, to fail, to achieve, to assess, to learn, to enjoy, and to live. Yeah. So when we start with this thought that maybe the things my in my list, which is in my incapable list, is just that. Yep. Yes, Deepti, I've started the recording. Thanks for reminding again. That the each child who I have the list of incapable is just that the child has not started working on it. It's like that. Okay. So I want to start with a small interaction with any one of you. It would be nice that if any one of you can come on mic and we can a little interact, little chit chat. While you come on the mic, just think that you are your child. So you have to become your child. You don't have to interact with me as you are at this moment. You whatever parent or your name or whatever you are, but you are your child. So yep. Can someone come on the mic so we can chit chat? And once you come, just tell me your name so I can invite. Yeah. Is Purvi trying to come on mic?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, Purvi, we can hear you. Can others hear
Okay.
Purvi? Can
Yes.
others? Yep. Okay. So yeah, yeah, audible Purvi. Can you tell me the meaning of your name? I've heard this name earlier, but I don't know the meaning.
Yeah. Meaning is to concentrate, focus on yourself.
But,
Dhyan.
couldn't hear you very clearly. Is it a lot of background noise where you're sitting?
Just a moment. Just a moment. Now can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you tell me the
There is no noise otherwise.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go ahead, Purvi. Yeah.
Yeah.
You said
Meaning of my
something.
name. Yeah. Meaning of my name is to focus, meditate on yourself.
Oh, okay. Meditation, focus. Interesting. My name is Aditi, and some say my name comes from Earth. Some says my name comes from the mother of goddesses. And this is something somebody also told me recently, which I don't remember. Can you share, Purvi, what all you like doing?
I like to do a lot of role plays, mess
Role play.
around with things and create something new.
Okay.
Have lots of fun and love.
Uh-huh.
and
Okay. So Purvi,
always
remember.
up to
Wait,
yeah.
wait. I also forgot as I started getting involved in the communication with you. You have to be your child, not
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah. I'm
Or
talking
your
about him.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what all you like doing? You like role play. What else?
Role play, have many professions at one time
Like,
running. You
like.
have a shop and you have a factory, and then at night you're still working, and early morning you have to wake up early to do
Okay.
something else. So you're always on roll.
Okay. So you like role play of a different
Yes,
profession.
yeah,
Okay. What else?
profession.
What else you like
And
doing?
create like love lots of water activities.
Mm-hmm.
Spend time with self, and then when you give lot of things just scattered around, then something is definitely to be built up or made out of. So
I missed the last point which you said. Water.
if things are just kept around as it is,
Mm-hmm.
without being too much particular about this has to be like that,
Mm-hmm.
I generally have things scattered in my room, frankly. So
Okay.
even he likes it that way. I'm talking about right now, like on personal level, but even he's liking it in the same way. So
Okay.
we both are similar in those types.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
then he just like I just bring around things together and then create something out of it.
Okay. You like creating whatever is there around.
Hmm.
What else you
Hmm.
like? What else you like?
Uh, uh, like a lot of humorous jokes, riddles,
Okay.
mm, and maybe not too much from books.
Mm-hmm.
Once a while, if I have to sit, I will sit. But if
Mm-hmm.
the same concept is taught in some other format, it is more taken easily
Mm-hmm.
rather than that teacher telling and I have to listen.
You don't like listening?
Like, but it has to be in some other format. It has to be a more
Like,
playful method. It cannot
like,
be anything, any play. You have a puzzle, you have a riddle, anything.
okay.
Any play form will do. Game.
Uh-huh.
Then I will be interested.
Then so you're interested in the puzzle or you're interested in listening at that time?
That time, like the process of how it will be done,
Okay, you like to listening that how a game will be
process,
played
how
and
it
how
will
to
be
solve
done,
the
what will come
puzzle.
out of it. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Okay, thanks,
yeah.
Purvi. I think I want to invite, we will come back to you, means as we
Okay.
move on.
Thank you so
Uh,
much. Yeah, I'll just
Someone else
listen.
wants to share different, we have parents of different ages, 2.5 to 23-year-old. Uh, and yeah, someone else also would like to come on the mic and share uh, what all you like doing. Very nicely, Smita. Thanks. Yeah, she started typing on the chat window and then sharing with all of us what is that you like doing. And yes, yes, Ritu, you can unmute. You have. Are you not able to unmute? You
Yeah,
can.
hello.
Yeah.
So
Can
can you
you?
hear me, Titi?
Yes, we can hear you, Ritu. Yes.
Yes. Okay, hi. So
So
I'm Ritu from Jaipur. I
yeah.
have a 23-year-old daughter and a 13-year-old son. So I'll be
Mhm.
my son, Aditya.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
So
So what's
so
the
I'm
meaning of it?
Aditya. Aditya means sun.
Oh,
So I'm
okay.
proud to be so bright and sunny. And I like strong people. I'm fascinated by the Bang, and I'm
Oh,
fascinated by all the strong men in this world, by the army
uh-huh.
people,
Okay.
by Ajay Devgan.
Mm-hmm.
And I love cars and I love phones.
Mm-hmm.
And I do get very awed when my parents take me to their rich, glowing sites,
Mm-hmm.
and yet I love the village life of a farm that we go to very often.
Mm-hmm.
And I never think twice about getting messy or dirty, or I just like to be in the raw.
Mm-hmm.
And at the same time, I dream of having 100 bodyguards and
Mm-hmm.
have a house like Antela. And
Okay.
what else? And of course, I'm very bubbly and a happy child. I'm
Mm-hmm.
never sad.
Mm-hmm.
And even while I'm ill, and at times I've been in the hospital,
Mm-hmm.
but I always smile.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing affects me on any ways. I
Okay.
never crib. I never
Mm-hmm.
get bored. I find
Okay.
something to do all the time,
Okay.
and I cannot sit. And I want to touch my mother every 10 minutes
Okay.
because she's nice and fat and good goody.
Hmm.
So I go to her and I'm very big and tall, and she tells me she will now fall off if I jump on her, but I jump on her all the time.
Yeah.
So this is what I am.
What else you like doing?
So I don't know what I like doing, honestly. I am very fond of sports.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, if you tell me to play cricket, I can play cricket and football throughout the day. I don't like indoor games. I don't
Okay.
like board games a lot.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And I don't want to, I'm more like a physical person. I like
Mm-hmm.
doing physical activities. I
Mm-hmm.
don't too much indulge in mind games.
Mm-hmm.
I get bored in that.
Yes. Is this Amma speaking or the child speaking?
No, the child is speaking. I don't want to apply my mind. The moment I want to,
Is
try
that
and tell
you?
me,
That
think about
that
this, I'll say, no, I won't.
is that you saying that I don't like applying my mind, or the people say that you don't like applying your mind?
No, no. I say, wherever, my mind gets taxed, you ask me to run for 2 hours, I will run. But
Okay.
I
And
don't.
what else you like doing? Not what the world says that you like or not like. Tell me what else you like doing.
So, my favorite thing to do is, of course, sports.
Okay.
I like to do sports a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and get involved in sports a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
that's my first love in
Okay.
life.
And the second
And
one?
and the second love is, of course, anything to do with some kind of raw craft, not very
Okay.
fine technique craft, but
Mm-hmm.
raw craft. I'm not too fond of too much painting, drawing, or stuff like that.
Uh-huh.
I can do it at times when I'm in the
Uh-huh.
mood. But yes, if I'm asked to play with bricks or sand or uh, any any such stuff, I can
Mm-hmm.
do.
What else? What's your third love?
Third love is, of course, playing games on phone, which is a big
Okay.
fascination for the moment.
Mm-hmm. Is this Mama
So
saying big fascination, or is that you are saying big fascination?
no, so Aditya is saying big fascination. Mama doesn't let me do that.
Okay. How do you know that you have this fascination
Because
for your
all my
third love?
friends play and the whole school is full of iPhones and I'm not
Mm-hmm.
being given a phone. So I
Mm-hmm.
always think that God knows when the day will come, then I will get a phone.
Okay. So you imagine playing games,
Yes,
or you
I
play games?
imagine I
Mm-hmm.
imagine I will have an iPhone X very often.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what else you like doing? What's your fourth
So
love?
I like to cook also.
Mm-hmm.
So nowadays, since my mother is home and my whole family is home,
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing a lot of household work and I seem to be enjoying it. I didn't know I would enjoy it,
Mm-hmm.
but
Okay.
I'm enjoying all that work.
You said you love cooking. Is that love? You're saying love cooking, or you have started cooking?
I have started cooking.
Okay. What else you like to do?
Play with friends.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
have a lot of friends.
Mm-hmm.
I want to hang out with them. I want to go out of home every evening for two,
Mm-hmm.
3 hours.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks,
And
Ritu, for coming. And I think we can
thank
go
you.
on, and I can spend a
Thank you.
lot more time with you to understanding what Aditya you like doing.
Thank you.
But I think let's move ahead. Thanks a lot, Ritu. I think Jay Lakshmi is also saying she enjoyed listening to you. Yeah, Parul, I'll invite you for the some other response right now. Let's move ahead. Uh, uh, okay, so what we were doing right now is that possibly trying to understand the child as parent, as facilitator, as teachers, as adults. Sometimes we think that I know what the child knows, and I think I know what is good for the child, and then I can design for the child, I can give to the child, and the child has to receive it. In self-directed learning at Arohi, the framework which we follow is that we begin with I, which we begin with I decide. And how do we bring that process of I deciding? I think that's what we will go through in this session as we move ahead. Once I decide, I go to doing, and once I do, yeah, I'm back. Just in case if you're trying to find me where I am, I'm back. I was just for some time thrown out of the meeting. I just want to check. Let me just start my chat window and then check if I'm yeah, Ritu saying yes. I'm assuming Ritu is responding that I'm audible. I'm back, and I'm happy that all of you are there. The little voice delay. Oh, yeah, I think my internet connection is still showing unstable. Just give me few minutes to settle it down. Can you see my slide? Maybe I'll switch off my video and then see if that helps. Can you hear me now? And see my screen, both? Voice is cracking, can't hear me. Is it better now? Okay, yeah, I've stopped my video. And okay, fine, thank you. Fine. So I was sharing the framework of I decide, I do, I reflect, then again I decide based on what I reflect, then I do, and then I reflect. And that's the framework we use for our self-directed journey. Okay, so I was there with you, with Ritu and with Purvi, understanding what is that you like doing, not as Purvi and Ritu, but as, wait a minute, let me just start the, yeah, recording is on. Yeah, that so let's move ahead from there. Remember, you are your child. Okay, Purvi, just maybe recheck your connection. Oh, sorry, the audio device. Some of them can hear me, so I'll move ahead. If you need help, maybe call Ratnesh and get the help done. Okay, so this time we'll all participate, and how we participate this time is that just think of you remember, or maybe you're still your child. You're not you right now. Okay, presentation is in smaller window. Yeah, give me some time. I'll just I'll make it bigger. Is it better? Okay. Is it now full screen?
Aditi, it is the same screen what you were having earlier. So to make it full screen, go with that icon and make it full screen.
Wait, just give me. I'll put it in the presentation mode, and then I think you can see it.
Now this is fine. You can see the full screen.
Yep, I can hear someone behind.
Arya.
Okay, yeah. Let me just give me some time. I'll put it back what it was earlier.
This is full screen now.
Just 1 minute. I just give me. Is it still full screen? Okay, am I back with full screen for all of you? Okay, thank you for, and I think we are once again all set. Recording is there. So remember, you are your child right now, and this time I will not chit chat with one person on mic. Maybe in chat window you can little more think, little more connect with your child, not physically right now, but then think about it and then share what is that you would like to do today. So I'll take you through a small little process where you can participate through chat window. What is that you would like to do today? Yeah, some of you have already started typing. Yeah, think of any one child if you have two children. Sometimes we also feel that the children, say the smaller age, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 years, 6 years, will not be able to um, express, and maybe they won't know what they want to do. But I'm inviting you to even think that they also have their own agenda, what they want to do today. So anything which you want to do today, which you want to do now. Yeah, I can see a long list coming. Yeah, so some of you are asking me to that you want to play in sand. Uh, maybe right now think which you can do something at home. I'm assuming all of us are at home and not able to go out. Yeah, some of you someone wants to do birthday party, magic party. Yeah, maybe you can tell me what is that you want to do today at home. Yeah. Yeah, some of you are writing, I want to watch something, and yes, not yeah, maybe Monali wants to go out today. Maybe not going out is not possible today. Since we are in lockdown, we are at home. Tell me what is that you would like to do at home. Eat pizza, unless we make pizza at home. Not sure that we can get the pizza today. Yeah, you want to play with Atado, you want to watch mobile, play cricket in-house. Yeah, that looks interesting that you want to play cricket in-house. Yeah. Yeah, I'm assuming that no matter what age your child is, Purvi's hand is raised. Purvi, just give me a few minutes to finish this whole process. If you have any doubt, type in the chat window right now. Someone wants to do dance, watch movie. Yeah. Good enough. Some of you have already responded. What is that you want to do? Maybe you can also start thinking now that what is that, what all you have done in that already. Like, for example, if you want to say, I want to dance today, maybe you can. Okay, I think I can take some of you on the mic while others can type. Will someone like to come on the mic?
Hi, this is Gina here.
Hi, Gina. Yeah.
Yeah, so I have a 3.5 year old.
Yeah, sorry, Jinal. 1 minute. Purvi, your hand is raised. Is there anything you want to ask? No. Yep, go ahead, Jinal. Yeah.
So Kivansh is 3.5 year old,
Mm-hmm.
and since morning he's been asking to use phone for 5 minutes with an alarm.
Okay.
Eat ice cream, bath with cold water, and play travel. So
Okay.
basically, he imagines.
Wait. You are the child. You're 3.5 years.
So I don't need to explain. Okay.
Okay.
And what all have I done from this is I have eaten an ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
I have already played with cold water.
Okay, so maybe let's take one thing. Um, which one you want to share with me right now?
Eaten ice cream.
Okay, you want to eat ice cream? What all kinds of ice cream you have already eaten?
Oh, okay. I've eaten homemade ice creams and ice creams that we get out
Mm-hmm.
in the store nearby,
Mm-hmm.
Gautam store.
Mm-hmm.
And Mama gives me vegan ice creams and healthy ice creams.
Is that mama saying healthy or you're saying healthy?
No, he knows it.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, so when you want to eat this ice cream?
Um, I want it right now.
You want it right now, and how much you want to eat?
Okay, that's a good choice.
Okay,
I want to have 2 ice creams.
2 ice cream, and if you want to eat right now, how will you eat it? Where will you get the ice cream from?
From Gautam stores.
Pardon?
From Gautam stores.
From Gotham stores. And how will you get it from the Gotham stores?
Papa will go climb down the building and just go and buy it for me.
And Papa can go?
No, but he had promised me that he will go today and bring it for me.
And how will you get the promise?
This is you're asking me or the child.
Child.
How will you get the promise? I didn't get the question. I didn't understand
Okay,
the question.
how will you make them to promise you?
Papa only said promise I will get it for you.
Oh, he has already promised to you. So, okay, fine. Yeah, thanks, Jinal. Maybe one more person. Jinal, your child is 3.5-year-old, right?
Yeah.
Maybe more people with different age groups. We already had 13-year-old. Somebody else with different age group wants to come and then share what you want to do today. Meanwhile, I think I'll try switching on my video. Uh, yeah, Divya, go ahead and speak. I'll try switching on my video. If it again goes bad, I'll switch it off. Yeah.
So I am Hanshika. I am 7 years old.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see Avengers with my papa.
Today you want to see Avenger?
Yes.
Yeah. Poonam, can you just switch off your video? That will help us. Okay. And when you, what all you have watched in that already?
I have watched 3 or 4 things: Infinity War, Endgame,
Mm-hmm.
Black Panther, and Iron Man.
Okay. Okay. And when you want to do that?
I want to do now, but Papa tells he doesn't have time now.
Papa tells it. Then how will you see that?
I am going to be behind him now.
Okay. What else you can do?
I want to read before I want to learn reading. I'm learning reading.
You're learning reading. So what all, how all do you learn reading?
I am taking a book.
Mm-hmm.
I am trying to see the sounds of the letters and trying to join it.
Mm-hmm.
But I want my mama's help for that, and I'm behind her for that.
Okay. And do you make whatever the join the sounds of the letters using one book, many books, few books, and how do you do that?
I'm right now. I like Bernstein Beer books,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm taking that, and since I have seen the story already, I'm trying to catch up few words by joining my sounds of that.
Okay, this catch up mama saying or you are saying?
Catch up. Yeah, mama saying that.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Survi, that's okay. Yeah, you can. You said I got it wrong. Yeah, we are talking about what is that you think your child would like to do today, right now. There were a couple of interesting responses. Nothing. Maybe I can take one of them. One of them to invite on mic and. Yeah, or maybe I think I need to check the watch. I'm getting quite excited with this nothing response. Yeah, Ritu is sharing. Yeah, it's difficult to get into our child's shoes. Maybe that is where this whole process of I decide needs. Yeah, Sunita, go ahead and unmute your mind. I was responding to what Ritu was saying. Yeah, so to understand without putting our words into what our child is thinking, that's I think the one of the exercise we as parent need to do. We as facilitator, as teachers, who whichever role we are playing, need to understand. And I think the self-directed learning begins with the child and begins with our understanding about the child. What is that? Where is the child coming from? We too often start with myself and then I decide everything for the child. For the child to decide, I think we need to, no matter how much you know your child, I think it's not enough what we know. Yeah, let me check couple of. Yeah, Priyanka, yeah, you're sharing what all you like doing. Yes, Ranjani, yeah, come on, Mike, and I can have a small interaction and then I move ahead. Yeah, so Priyanka, I was telling you, maybe you can, and I think I'm able to now chit chat with only one person on the mic, but then rest of us can think that is what is that your child want to do today? What is that your child has already decided? What is that your child already knows? What all resources child has? When will your child like to do? And if your answers to your these questions are that I don't know, maybe it's time to go back to the child and then interact and connect with the child, understand, just general chit chat with the child, that what is that child want to do today and how. Yes, Ranjani, come on mic. You're asking to
Hi.
come on mic. Yeah, hi Ranjani. Yeah, you don't want to do anything today.
No, I don't want to do anything today.
And what is that anything?
Nothing. Just sit.
You want to sit, and how? Where do you want to sit?
Um, I want to sit here.
And what do you want to do when you're sitting?
Nothing.
You're
You don't
nothing.
tell me anything.
Huh? I will not. I'm not asking you to. I'm only asking you what is that you want to do when you're sitting.
I don't want to do anything.
And what is that all anything?
Anything means you don't tell me anything.
What all do I tell you to do, which you don't want to do?
You ask me to read a book.
Okay.
Do some clean vessels, fold clothes.
Okay. So you don't want to do all
Do
of
some
that?
writing.
Pardon?
Do writing.
Do writing. Okay. You don't want to do writing. What else you don't
I don't
want
want to do any of that.
Okay. What is any of that means? What all?
I don't want to do anything. I don't
Yes.
want to write. I don't want to draw. I don't want to eat.
Okay. You don't want to play, you don't want to watch movies, you don't want to sit here, you don't want to look out, you don't want to talk to
I
me,
want to watch movies.
you want to watch movies. Okay, what kind of movies you want to watch? But sitting here you want to watch movie, you said I want to sit here.
I want to sit here. I can also watch Shin-chan.
Okay, and what all do you want to do in that?
Sorry, I could not hear you.
What all you want to do in that?
Just watch.
Okay, fine. Ranjani, I think I'm running out of the time. I can continue with you because you have very interesting thoughts inside you, and I'm curious to know what all is doing nothing means for you. Okay, so let me just thanks, Ranjani. Surbi is saying, I want to wake up whenever I want. Yes, watch all day web series. Yes, if I am my daughter that I want to dance. Yep. So maybe yeah, it's quite a long thing which Surbi, you have put it up for me as a facilitator, as a parent to put this thing. What I would like you to go ahead and then do it little more, detail it out. Is that maybe a little more understanding what all you, suppose you say I want to dance for a while, yeah, what all kind of dance you have done, which kind of dance you want to do, what all, where, when, what are resources you have, do you need my help, and all those blah blah you can have conversation with. Yes, Amit, I'm moving ahead. You are planning to have bath birthday party, we can yes, you can go ahead and whatever you want to do. Right now, I will not be able to chit chat with you. I'm moving ahead uh, with okay. So if you realize, if you do this with your child or any child whom you are interacting with, where you are trying to understand that what is that child wants to do and how child wants to do, more than what child wants to do, what is there in child's mind. I think I'll just switch off my video if that makes my voice better. Is it better now? Okay, thank you. Yep, yes, I think I can't show my face today, my pretty face today. That's okay, fine. I'll repeat for me. What I was saying is that is that this whole process of someone's mic is on. It will be nice if you can mute it. It will help me to speak. Yep. Okay. What I'm saying is that when we start with the child, not with me, when I start with this process that the child is capable of doing anything which the child wants to do right now, maybe later, I can facilitate by first understanding what is that child wants to do. And if you realize that when I interact with the child and try to understand that where the child is, I think I become redundant as an adult. I don't need to make things fun for the children. I don't need to design activities for the children. If you realize that, or if you believe, which we believe in Aruhi, is that we all are designed to do. Okay, we all know what we want to do. Is that it's just that we don't get the opportunity to do the way I want to do what I want to do. I as a child find very rarely somebody who is trying to listen to me, that what I already know about what I'm trying to do. Okay, I have my goal in my mind. I can make it exciting for me. I can make it meaningful for myself. Somebody was saying that I want to learn how do I make it meaningful for my child. Let me tell you, your child already knows how to make it meaningful for himself. It's just that we need to invite the child, we need to understand, we need to engage in communication, connecting with the child, and then move ahead. Someone's video is off, it will be on. It will be nice that if you can switch it off. Yep. Okay, so when you, after this session, maybe today and tomorrow, when you go back home, you're already at home, when you go back to your child, I try to have this conversation with your child. Is that what all you want to do today, and how, very specifically, what is that in that you want to do, including nothing. Remember, your definition of nothing and my definition of nothing can be different. Yeah. Priya Nautiyal. Can you just please switch off your video? That will help us to get a better bandwidth. You can go ahead and then you can ask your child what resources your child will need, what kind of support your child you need, when is the child planning to do, where is the child planning to do, and and then see if you get a different window about your child. What is that child? What is that child is thinking? Uh, let me go ahead and share this quote from Maria Montessori, which she says is that my job is to stimulate and then leave it free. Can I so this process of asking, inviting the child is process of stimulating and lots of thinking inside the child, where the child now starts thinking, what is that I want to do? The beginning of thinking starts thinking starts when you start with what is that you want to do, because then the child has to think. When you say you do this, you have already done the thinking for the child. You have already created or thought about that, how to make it exciting, how to make it enriching, how to make it this, how to make it that. I'm asking you to stimulate the child by asking the child what is that you want to do, and then leave it to unfold, and then see the magic, and then see what happens. Yeah, I'll pause and see some of the responses here. Uh, yeah, so I think somebody's saying maybe what I'm saying in the first session, I will also take you through is that what is that we as a parent can come in, and I think the beginning of doing as a parent starts with first understanding what is that I can understand about my child. And that's all about today's session. We will be dealing it with this today. And as we move ahead in our different session, then we'll see that how do we add value? How do we add value differently, keeping in mind that the child is capable, keeping in mind that child can decide. Whatever the child decides, we can go ahead and then play the role. So what you have asked, Pavitra, Pav is the name written on the chat window. Yes, it's not, it seemed controversial, but it is not controversial. It's just that we need to look at our roles differently. Monali is saying, is this for younger age, 6-year-old? Yes, it's for any age. I'll be, after few slides, I'll be sharing a planning session response from a child who is 4 or 5-year-old, who was there at campus and then went through this whole process of planning. What is there on the slide is the various ways children decide. This recently a child shared with me that this is how I'm planning at my home. Let me pause and see some of the responses in the chat. Yes, Monali, Maria Montessori talks about importance of prepared environment, but I think many of us misunderstand that uh, preparing environment, inviting them is different than deciding for them. Yeah. Uh, uh, yeah, somebody's saying this is my 5-year-old child. Yep. So Smita is still talking about what your child wants to do. Yeah, I've moved ahead. Maybe you can you can do the process with the child and then understand that um, that what is that your child is thinking right now, what is that child is needing right now, what is that your child is planning right now. Yeah, so these are some couple of planning which I want to just share with you, uh, that how different children at different level do their planning. The whole crux in this is they decide their way. Some likes to do visual planning, some likes to do just few words, that what is that out of the day I want to do. And believe me, it is nothing to do with the age. It's to do with myself. Yeah, Purvi is asking about the stimulating environment. Yeah, I'm asking you to little pause and stay with the process right now. Environment will come. That's why I think when I shared the first slide, I said today we are only dealing today and maybe next session and maybe next session in this whole process of I decide. My role when I move ahead with the I decide the child. Yup. Agni saying, what if my child is bored? Yes, I can understand a lot of questions coming in your mind, but I'll request people to pause with the questions right now and stay with the process. Yep. So Sunita is asking, plan and don't want to follow. Yeah, it will come. It will come. I'm coming. Can all of us just requesting all of us to stay with the process and then understand that just stay right from the beginning. It's like there's a song. Let's start from the very beginning, and then we are starting from the very beginning. Is that how do I bring my understanding about my child, which I think till now that I know everything, but I'm inviting you to know more than what you know about your child till now. Yeah, and invite your child to ask what is that you want to do. Invite your child to plan what is that child wants to do. So I'm sharing with you different levels of planning with different children come at different levels. This is a very specific time-wise planning which is done by a child. Yeah, and the question which I ask the child is that how do you want to plan your day? Yeah, and then they decide how is that they want to plan their day. Yes, Smita, you're asking there's maybe we will not deal with this process right now, that how do we schedule our family or and how do we schedule it like for example, someone was saying I want to eat ice cream, and if my father is not available to give me the ice cream right now, then obviously I can't plan at that time. Yes, I these are these are these constraints which I can do, which I can't do, which I don't want to do, are the learning opportunities. So I'm asking you to still come back and be with the child and ask the child, what is that you want to do today? How is that you want to do today? When you want to do today? Where you want to, and what all resources you have, what all resources you have in mind. I'm asking you to stay with the child, stay with the process. Yep. Okay, so I want to share what is this whole process. In Arohi we call it planning, uh, but you can name it anything. You can say it scheduling, you can say decision making, whatever you want to do it. You can share this or whatever, create your own vocabulary for this whole process. Here is a slide which I will read for you. This is from a 4-year-old child who was here for a week with mother, and then mother sharing about the planning process. Yeah, Lipika, yeah, I'm asking you to hold on with your questions right now. And just stay with the process. We have WhatsApp, we have a lot of few more sessions, at least 7 more sessions uh, to question what is happening or and what will not happen because of this process. So let me read out. It's a very small letter, so I'll read it out for you. This mother sharing that after listening to planning concept, I started doing it for myself and my child Advik, who's 4-year-old. Planning of a day has brought a lot of effect on our routine. Basically, planning of a day is helping us in what I want to do on that day, on the day, keeping me focused on that. Whether we are able to do it or not, it gives me schedule for the day and think on what I want to do. It is not only for me, for Advik, also, it is not only for me, for Advik also. As he planning for his day, he goes accordingly. I also know his schedule. When I came here, I was surprised to see how focused these kids are. Now I could see that this planning and election would have brought lot of self-discipline and focus. I'm assuming when she say re-election, I think she's talking about the process that I can replan my day. Yeah. Surprising, at the end of the day, Advik asked me, let's write. what I have done and what I have not. Sometimes he asks me, let's write what I want to do today. Yesterday he said, I don't want to write planning. Then I said, okay. Yesterday we didn't do much. Today I asked, shall we do the planning? He said, no. Then I said, yesterday we didn't plan our day. How is it? He said, not good. Then he said, let us write. He's able to sense the need of planning. Example of his planning, day one, his first day of planning. Bus playing, drums, playing toys, writing alphabets. What he did on the day is bus playing, drum, and pottery. Second day of planning, bus, trampoline, painting, drums. He did bus, trampoline, painting, and painting. He did without spilling colors. He could do all that day. So this is from um, a small experience which mother had, where the child went through this whole process, that what is that I want to do. I'm not saying all of us that our experiences will be similar, but our experiences will be our experiences for us to understand what is that my child wants to do next, and what is that I want to, and how is that I want to connect with my child, um, as if now today. Uh, so I know some of you have lots of question about this process, that um, what will happen if this doesn't happen? What will happen if the child says, I'm there with you with all those questions which you have. I want you to come back and maybe think for a moment that what will happen if the child decides. Maybe you can type on the chat window that what is that you think what will happen if the child decides that what I want to do, including nothing. And Nalini, not sure the child will execute, but yeah, child will think about it. Yeah. So here is my list of what I believe, what we believe in Arohi, is that when we invite the child to decide, we think that child get the opportunity to lead, child get clarity for what child wants to do, and child gets the understanding of self, that what is that going on, what is that happening right now with me. For me as a parent and facilitator, I know the child, I get the opportunity to stimulate thinking, and I also get the opportunity to plan what is that next I can do as an adult in child's mind. Yeah. So some of you are again uh, putting up the questions, your worries. I think we will take those worries and questions and doubts through WhatsApp. Not right now. I'm again inviting you to be with the process, that just for a moment, even if the child is thinking about the TV watching, how can you make this process enriching, and what will happen to the child? If you allow the child to lead, I'm inviting you, the child, allow the child to lead himself and lead us. Yeah. Yeah, I understand, Smita, what you're sharing. But I think I'm just moving right now. Possibly I will not pause to ask what is that you think, what is your role is. According to me, I think your role is at this moment is to listen to the child, what the child is saying, including I want to watch movie, I don't want to read right now, I don't want to play, I don't want to do anything, I want to do this, and this is not available, this is available, and whatever the child is saying, I think I'm inviting you to just listen. And when you're listening, I'm inviting you to know what is that child knows already about it, what is the child know already about his habit of watching TV, or his uh, uh, struggle to not to read. Whatever is that, I'm asking you to play that role of knowing. I'm also inviting you to not lead by your examples and or your experiences, how you would read, or how would you cook, or how would you do, or how would you watch TV, or how would you not watch TV. I'm asking you not to bring your examples and your experiences. I'm asking you to allow the child to make mistakes, allow the child to decide that I want to do today 3 hours of painting and not do it. Okay, let the child fail. We have a more processes in place. We have process of reflection, we have process of understanding, we have process of self assessment. I think we are too much in a hurry to with all our worries that what if the child will not do. Isn't it a good news for us to understand that what is that child will and why will the child not do? Isn't that again an opportunity to understand that why the child is not able to do? Maybe at the end of the day, uh, that process, again, I'm not taking it today, but then I'm just sharing with you that there is a lot more I can do when I allow the child to make mistakes. If I decide that for next 1 hour we will do painting, for next 1 hour we will read the book, and the child is not gaining anything except reading that book. Child is not gaining the experience of mistakes. Child is not gaining the experience of failing. Child is not gaining the experience of thinking. Yeah. So it depends on what is that you want. Yeah. And while you're going through this journey, observe the child. And that's where I was asking, is it that mama asking this, mama saying this, or is it that the child saying this? There's a lot more for our child. We speak. I'm inviting you to observe, and many of you are already doing the observation as you shared in detail that how I like to play with this, or I'm thinking, or these are my worries. If given a day, I would only like to watch some serials or webinars or whatever. I'm inviting you to even more to observe more. Yeah, someone is asking me to go to the previous slide. I'm moving ahead. I'm running short of the time right now. Maybe I'll share the slideshow, this whole presentation with all of you. What does the what the Jews say? He's one of the educator. uh, he says that give people to do something to learn, and and that doing is of such nature, then they are thinking, they are learning. Yeah, when you're inviting the child to decide, you are asking the child to think, and when you are asking the child to think, the child is learning. Yeah, maybe not learning what you want the child to learn, but the child is learning what is that child is learning about himself. So this small little video I will just play, and then I'll see uh, if that runs with my internet connection right now.
Connecting with people is amazing. I like chit-chatting with my friends while eating. An opportunity to take all the guests around the tour, around the campus. Currently, I'm working on improving myself so I can play in a club next year. I get resources and support to fulfill my passion for sketching. I sketch many things of animals, birds. In Arohi, I'm a guest and I can find my space here, pursuing my interest on upcycling. I draft to express my emotion and it makes me feel lighter. In bird watching, I learn a lot of things. What is color of bird? And I like the time when I spend with the community playing sports. I spend time doing projects related to cinematography and video editing. I like organizing trips in Narohi, क्योंकि I your opportunity is to organize trips. Video making is awesome. It's productive and you get an awesome outcome. I like to do electrical work. I put many. I connect with the planning here. Gives me clarity. I like things. I learn crochet and teach others crochet. எனக்கு சமைக்கிறதுக்கு இங்க ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். All the resources here are new to me to explore.
Okay, so just a small I guess glimpses that each one of us are different, and each one of us has a different uh, uh, mm, different connection with what is happening, including chit chatting. Yeah, so the idea is that um, just invite the child, let the child decide it. I'm just playing a small video, one more video, that how how children in Arohi decide, and I think that's where each one of us start our journey with. Yeah. Okay, so I'm moving ahead. I'll share this video in my notes with you. Okay, so some of you are asking that what if I don't know what I want to do? Some of you have that question in your mind. I just want to read it out. Um, with one of the experiences which I documented is that this child started with, I don't know, I don't know, I can't do this, I can't do that, I'm not good in this, I'm not good in that. And while I was interacting with this child, there are few random words which I picked up from the for the conversation which I had. As Ranjini was saying, I don't want to read, I don't want to cook, or I don't want to wash vessels. Those random words which the child was sharing with me during the conversation, we picked up things like, okay, so this week learn 5 words, practice handwriting, watch telescope, and do water painting. We also little more discuss that what is that in that exactly you will do. And then child started. The day when the child didn't do many of those things, as I think in Advik's example also, 4-year-old, and this child with the which I'm talking about right now is around 14 or 15-year-old. um, so the age has nothing to do with whether I will fulfill my commitments or I will not fulfill my commitment, if I whether I know or whether I don't know. But then I think invitation is to understand what is going in the child's mind. So once this process started with this child, she did few things, she did few other things which were happening around. And uh, and and then and the and the and the week after, again we reflected, and then again she as I think in the note of the mother, she said the uh, rearranging my planning, my what is that I want to do, how I want to do. And I think it's not very uncommon that the child will say I don't know. It's not very uncommon that the child will not do. It's not very uncommon that what I decide as an adult today and I don't do that. It's so I think let's give that space to our children also, and let's move ahead in this journey. I just want to remind you that I decide is so intrinsic for us, that if you observe a child of 1 year, you may think that the child is 1 year, 2 year old children, that they are just randomly doing something. But then whatever they're doing, and then you ask them to do something else, and then they will give you the answer. Okay, either they will cry or they will resist it because they already know that this is what they want to do right now. Yeah. But as children grow, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 15 year, 20-year-old, okay, and then you have to come back to my session and then ask that how do I keep that flame alive. So I'm happy that some of you have started your journey much earlier. Some of the children are 2-year-old, 3-year-old. So I don't think many of the processes which I will tell you, you will do exactly with your child who is 2-year-old, 3-year-old children, because they don't need these processes. All you need to do is that be with that process, what the child is already exhibiting, that the child is clear that what I want to do today. Yeah. Jean Piaget also says to us, is one of the master whom we learn from, is that when you teach a child something, then you're taking away the child's chance of discovering himself. When you take away this whole concept of I decide from the child, you're taking away the whole chance, the entire chance from the child, for the child to discover himself. So maybe give it a little thought on what is that you want to do. Yeah. Before I share the some ingredients, I think I can take a few responses. um, whatever is going in your mind, you want to type, you want to, yeah, you want to share what is that you're thinking right now. And then I'll take you through some more insights which I have gained over the year with children, working with children here in Arohi. Yeah, Jinal, yes, what they're writing is what they mean it. Yeah. So I'm glad that you are wanting to go back. Yes, Vishruti, please share that conversation about the TV time. That would be enriching for all of us. Yeah, Rashmi, not sure. Ability to question is important, but then I think ability um, uh, to be with the child at that moment. My questions are not pre-planned. My questions are coming out from what the child is saying. Maybe picking up what the child is speaking, and then and trying to understand what is the child is asking.
Yeah, Aditi.
Yeah, Vishruti. Yeah.
So this happened yesterday. We
Yeah,
have
yeah.
fixed
Sorry,
his
sorry.
day.
Not right now.
Okay, later. Okay.
Yeah,
Sure,
yeah.
sure, sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
I think
yeah,
I have
sure.
just 10 minutes
No,
more
no, I
to.
understand. I understand. Sure, sure.
Sorry, I miscommunicated.
Please, no, please.
Yes, Ritu, possibly that's where I think it's written in my ingredients that if we all decide for ourselves and also share with each other that today I have this and that, and if the child requires a time, possibly schedule a time that when are you available, where would you like to do changes. It's like uh, uh, it's like many of the time we think that the children are not understanding this process. Children will not be able to understand what it is to do with my planning, and then I can decide when I want to go out, I can decide when I want to attend the webinar. It has nothing to do with the child's understanding. And what if the child decides at 3 o'clock child wants to do painting, and for that painting child want to paint from you. Yeah, it also helps. In fact, in Arohi we all plan our day, and then we all debate and argue with each other that when I'm available and when I'm not available, where I need to change my planning, where the child needs to change their planning. And then it's quite a beautiful process. Right now in lockdown it happens over the dining table in the morning as well as in the night. But otherwise, when there are more children and many of us are there, it happens as a process. It happens, we even call it a planning time, an hour in the morning, which is very chaotic. Cross connections, lot of talks happening, this happening, that happening. But if you try to peep into that uh, conversation, you will realize that we all are planning our day, we all are organizing our day. Yes, yeah. So we will be dealing with this why the plans fails, and that's I'm happy that you're already thinking about it. We'll go through few processes where we'll understand that what is this whole concept of fail or not doing it or not doing what I have committed. We'll go through it. Yeah. Yeah, Parul, sorry, Pav, your name is written. Yep, what you say is so true. Yeah, we need to take them as an individual. So my request to you to create an environment where uh, where 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 it is the child is accepted with all his desires. What is that what child want to do? Yes, uh, uh, also understand that the child is inging. We have this term called inging. Inging means anything which is in the process has ing in at the end. I'm running, I'm swimming, I'm learning, I'm eating. Yeah. So just understand that the child is in the process of learning, and accept all whatever is whichever way the child is exhibiting. If possible, make resources accessible to the child. Many of the time the resources are either I know as an adult where the resources are kept, or I decide how those resources are to be used. And that's where I think someone is also talking about the mutually agreeable codes that, uh, for example, after the painting, I will wash the place, or maybe we'll keep this place just like that only. So whatever as a family it suits, you have those codes with you. We call it codes. You can you can create any vocabulary you want to have it. Yeah. So I have on my slide some more possibilities which a 12-year-old self-designed learner is talking about. Is that it was new for her, and she spends now a lot of time on Odissi dance. And she also likes to play ocarina, singing, cubing, programming, making jewelry, reading, running, swimming, trekking, nature, and a lot of things. And she knows what all she wants to do. I'll skip this video. This was the video which I brought for Do Nothing. I'll share this video with you also through the WhatsApp. That one of the Friday, we all declared that we are not doing anything, and then and that's where we saw many different definitions of doing nothing means for the children. So it was quite interesting. Okay. So action plan from today till tomorrow, till the next session, is that invite your child. What is that child wants to do? And the request is to right now, maybe just stay with your confusions, thoughts, worries that what if the child will not do, but then just invite the child, share your experiences on WhatsApp. What happened, what it did to you, what were you going through that experience, share on WhatsApp. And there are a couple of Arohi parents mentoring you on WhatsApp to understand, to maybe support you to understand what is that you're going through. Yeah. I'll share this presentation with you, and there are some experiences out of this whole concept of I Decide documented in my blogs. I'll share those with you. And I think just stay connected, sharing your experiences with others. When you share your experience with others, not only you learn, others also learn, and that's where the community creates the magic for all of us to learn together. Yeah. So that's all for the session today. Before we close, any other thoughts anybody has in their mind, maybe you can share on chat window or can come on the mic. We have couple of minutes before we close. Yeah, Amit, right now the planning session at Arohi is over our dining table. We are only 8 of us staying here. I want you to have designed your own planning session right now. So I'm saying it's not a session happening, because there are only 8 of us, and then we just share our what am I doing with each other. That's all. Yeah. So we plan we plan hourly base, we plan day base, we plan weekly base, we plan even monthly base. It depends on and for all these durations we reflect. Yeah. My voice is breaking. Yes, Nalini, yeah, it's not only children. As I said, we all plan and we all share with each other what is that am I going to do today. Yeah. I think is my voice audible right now? Yeah. So I was saying we all plan, including adults. So it's not that only child planning helps. Uh, the only difference is that many of the time, as an adult, I already do what I'm deciding to do, but the children don't get the chance to do what they want to do. And when I say what they want to do, it doesn't mean that if I want to break your head, I'm not able to break my head. Can you plan that also? Okay. Yeah. Yes, Lena, I'll be sending you the links. I'll be sending you the presentation. Yeah, yes, Surbi. Yeah, thanks. I'm happy that you're talking about start it again. I'll share with you, Lena, how do I talk and read and do many things at a time, but maybe not right now. But thanks for observing it and and acknowledging this thing. Yes, Parul, first of all, you need to come out with this frame of mind that he's 3.5 year old. He is not, he is he, and that's all. Start your maybe start your process by inviting him. What is that you want to do? And it's just that's all I can say, because I'm not saying because I'm just sitting here and imagining something. I'm saying because the number of children whom I've worked with, when I say we as a team has worked, and then we have seen that how they respond, and with that trust in each child, I'm asking you, inviting you to have that trust in your child and invite the child to decide what is that child wants to do. Yes, they don't want to plan at all. You don't need to go by the planning, the whole planning. You just need to invite that what is that you want to do today, right now. You don't want to do anything. That anything also is something. Yep. There's a phone number, not the name of the person who's asking if they don't want to plan it at all. Yep. We don't need to too much worry about, as I'm requesting again and again, is that what is the result of that process. Yes, when you will invite the child might think that you've come from some other planet who's suddenly asking what is that I want to do. Child will think there is something behind it, and then or maybe the child doesn't want to plan. That's okay, but I'm asking you to start that process. I'm asking, since you have come to learn in this session, I'm inviting you to do that with your child. Yes, Ruchi, thanks for telling your name. Yeah, they don't want to plan, that's okay. You can go ahead and then invite them. Parul, I'm not sure it should be in advance, it should be in the morning, not, it depends on the family, depends on when you come together, it depends on when you want to do that. Maybe you can do in chunks during the day, maybe you can do. So Purvi, you don't need to be a good planner to plan your day. You don't need to plan your day the time wise or whatever. I think this definition of good planner is I'm not talking about. I'm asking you, maybe you can start with that. What is that you want to do, and then how you want to do, when you want to do, where you want to do, how much you want to do, and then possibly you can continue that process with your child. You Yeah, you work impromptu, Purvi, but then you also have a lot of thought behind that impromptness, and our children also has. So the invitation is also only to understand how are they thinking. Yeah, so Ratnesh is reminding me that possibly we are going towards planning and then some of our concerns are coming. So I want to bring you back to the I decide. Yeah. So I'm asking you to come back to that process that I decide. Let's see that which way we can make the child. I don't think we need to make the child decide. I think child has already decided. It's just that we need to understand what is that child is thinking. Yes, Amrita, it would be nice that if you can also observe, also connect, also communicate with the child, also understand what is in child's mind and how the child is thinking. Yep. So I think with that, yes, Vishruti, without the planning, so I think we are going too much into the planning process. Possibly the planning word has a certain meaning for many of us. So I'm bringing back to the I decide concept. Yeah, child is already deciding, but for you as an adult to understand what is that you want to do, possibly you can understand that process. How is the child deciding? What is the child doing? Maybe a small little conversations which we had in the beginning of the session. You can and I'm reminding that many of the time we think that I know my child best and I know my child, whatever my child is doing. I'm asking you, I'm questioning that belief itself, and with that belief, I'm inviting you to ask your child what's going on in his mind. Yep, so with this thought, we say goodbye for today and we meet again on Thursday at the same time. I'll be sharing this presentation, recording of the session, and let's continue the flame on WhatsApp. Keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing. Yep. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.